Hey folks, this is Dr. K, and in this video we're going to go through setting up a sample client-server app in IntelliJ. So let's see what we got here. We've got a project for this. We're in Web Application Development. We're in Module 3. And IntelliJ Client-Server App, that's what I want to go through. So set up your environment. I do have a 64-bit Mac OS. I have an M1 chip in mine, but should work in either with an Intel chip or an ARM chip. And there's the Windows requirements. Okay, create a working directory named CS5244. I'm going to do a lot of stuff in the terminal here. There is Gregory, and I keep my working directory under a directory named developer, and there is CS5244, and as you can see there's nothing in that right now. So I've already created a CS5244 working directory. So I'm done with that. I want to check for Java 21, so let's see which version of Java I have. Can usually do most of these by just saying Java / version. It looks like I have Java 17. I want Java 21. So I'm going to go ahead and click this link, Java 21 SDK. I have a Mac, so I'm going to choose Mac over here, and I have an M1, which is basically an ARM chip. Okay, so I want a installer here, so I'm going to download that, and that should end up in my download directory. And actually, okay, and it looks like it's right at the top. Okay, so I'm going to double click that DMG, and I'm going to go ahead and install that. And I'm just going to follow the instructions. Type in my password. Okay, and it looks like I'm good. I'm going to, let's see. All right, I'm not gonna, okay, that did close. I'm gonna go back here, and I'm gonna run that command again. And look at that, I got Java 21 going on. All right, so I'm pretty happy with that. The next step is, I'm going to go back to see what the next step is. Download and install IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate. I already have that. I have something called JetBrains Toolbox, and there's my IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate. So I'm pretty happy with that. And let's see what the next step is. And yeah, don't wait till the last minute to do this, because they check your email. It usually takes them a day or less to do that. You got to send them your vt.edu email. Okay, install Tomcat 10. Okay, we want you to install the latest version of Tomcat 10.1. So I'm just going to click that link. And downloads, and let's see what we got. So let's see, for Mac, I think they usually want you to download, let's see, the tar.gz file. I don't want to do all the source. I want to use a binary distribution. And this is a Windows zip. Okay, these are all Windows. TarGZ. What is the difference between this? Okay, so this is it right here. TarGZ. I want to download that. Okay. Apache Tomcat tar. I'm just going to click this and I think it should open. Yep, and there's my folder. And what we want you to do with this is we want you to add it to the working directory. All right, this is another thing. Okay, developer 5244. This is my working directory right now. There's nothing in it. What I want to do is I want to, I don't care if it's still in the download. Well, I'm just going to move it from the downloads folder, and there it is, Apache Tomcat. And that's all there is to it. You just have to ensure that Apache Tomcat is in the Apache Tomcat folder is in your working directory. Okay. I'm going to close that, and let's see what else I have to do. Install Node.js. Do I need Node.js now? I guess there's no harm in installing it now. I think I actually have the latest version of Node.js. I'm going to go here and version 2014. I think that's the latest version. But if you do not have the latest version, here's what I suggest you do. I suggest you go to Node.js, and boom, it'll detect what type of machine you have, and you just click download Node.js. It'll download a binary. You just install that, and this will become your latest version. So you can see I have 2014. Right, yep, I have 2014.0, which is the latest version already. But if you have an earlier version, you just download this, you install it, and boom, that becomes your latest version. Okay? All right, so let's see what else we got going on here. So we've downloaded the latest version of Node. And it says once you have Node installed, you should be able to install Vite by running the following commands in your terminal. I should already have Vite. So with Node, you get npm, so that npm comes for free. So I'm just going to run this command, sudo npm update global Vite. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to put it there. And it's asking for my password, and you got to be the administrator to do this. This means it's working, okay? So try to hit return there. It's not going to work. Okay, and look at that. Okay, so I've got the latest version of Vite. I don't know if this works for Vite. Okay, it does. Yeah, Node 2014 and Vite 5.2.12. So let's see what else. So updating Node and Vite. Again, you don't have to. You can update Node like this, like with using npm, or you can just download Node again, and it should replace what you have. Install the React plugin for IntelliJ. I probably already have that, but it's worth checking. So I'm going to go to IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate, and I'm going to read these instructions actually, because install the React plugin. Open IntelliJ, go to File Settings in the menu, and look for plugins. Okay, so let's go to File. Add actually in Mac, it's under settings. In Windows, it may be under edit. I can't remember. But find your settings, look at your plugin, and let me see. What is it asking me? React. Okay. React. Okay, let me see what's installed. Installed is React, and it turns out it's bundled. It looks like it's bundled with IntelliJ Ultimate, so I don't think I even needed to install this. So that's cool. I'm just going to assume everything's going to work fine. Install the React Developer Tools extension for Chrome. Okay. Okay, where am I here? Okay, go to the Chrome Extensions web store, search for React Developer Tools. I think I already have that installed, but let's find it. Extensions. Okay, let's see, React Developer Tools. Okay, so I see details and remove, so that tells me it's already installed. Fantastic. Okay.